Bitcoin is often called the king of crypto, and for good reason. It's the ultimate indicator for the entire market. Welcome back to CryptoHubHQ, where we help you master crypto trading strategies. Here's the reality. When Bitcoin moves, the rest of the market reacts. If BTC rises by 1%, it acts like rocket fuel for altcoins, with many climbing 3 or even 4 times as much. But the reverse is also true. When BTC falls by just 1%, it creates a gravity well, pulling many altcoins down sharply. That's why it's essential to always keep an eye on Bitcoin. Understanding its movements can give you a clear picture of what's likely to happen in the altcoin market. Each coin has a unique, ever-changing relationship with Bitcoin. Some follow its movements closely, while others show less correlation. Knowing this relationship helps you plan your trades more effectively. At CryptoHubHQ, we offer alerts that monitor Bitcoin's movements and highlight how they impact the coins you're trading. These insights allow you to stay ahead of the market and make smarter decisions. By keeping Bitcoin in focus, you're not just following the market, you're staying one step ahead. Thanks for watching CryptoHubHQ. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more trading insights.